Diego. Okay. Oh, showing the money you don't have. We see all of you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Adaobi Cynthiaa, and if this is your first time here, welcome, and I hope you stay. For today, I'll be doing a fashion haul from Real 21, and it's a lot of stuff. Sit back and enjoy. Don't go anywhere. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. You know the whole shebang? Yeah, you do. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in my next. Bye. I mostly got tops from this brand, and the first one I'll be trying is this one. Keep in mind that I got these items from my local Real 21, but if I see them on the website, I will definitely put them in the description box below. This is a floral crop top, and it's in a size medium in case you're wondering, although everything will be in the description box below. It looks like this. It is really comfortable. Overall, it's giving me cuffs, which I so much desire, and I really like them. I think you should check them out. Let me know what you think below. This is the next pick I got, and it is this bodysuit type of situation going on, and it is a large. Gotta put it on and show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like on. And we all know mustard looks amazing on black girls, and yeah, it's making my melanin pop even more, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Let me know if you like this piece as well, because I love it. Now we try the next one. If you know me, then you know that I love flower tops a lot, and I can't decide which one is my favorite, but I know I love this one as well. It's really pretty. I think the red on it makes it even more amazing, and you can wear it with anything basically. I think you can wear it to anywhere you want to if you know how to style it too. Yeah, it's really pretty. What do you guys think? I don't know why, but for some reason this was really hard to get into, but now it's on. It looks really nice. I know it's summertime and all, but I kind of like me some long sleeves once in a while, and I think it's really nice, especially for traveling and all. You could wear this with black pants and go to the airport, you know, take a trip or something. And the material is made out of feels really warm. I think it would be really cool on a plane when you're traveling and all. Yeah, and I love the thing they wrote here, like baby girl, you know, living my baby girl life, you know, I think other good stuff. Anyway, go to the next one. So if you don't have anything to show your shoulders, because shoulders are sexy, ladies, you know. This is giving me I am sexy vibes. This is another crop top, and whew, it is gorgeous. It's making me feel so good, you know. Not the same when you dress good, you feel good. Definitely. I definitely feel good right now, you guys. And I love this so much, you know. Ooh, this one is giving me work vibes. Definitely something for a boss lady, you know what I mean? You're sexy yet you're covered. I don't know why when I put it on I felt like I'm going to work, although I don't have a job. Don't judge me, okay? But anyway, that's not the case. But yeah, definitely check this one out. And you could also wear it out to places, not just work anyway. Yeah, it looks good. You could wear it like this if you want to, or you could like pull it down. If you have like a high waist skirt or pants, would definitely go well with it. It doesn't go well with this pants at the moment, but yeah, a high waist or something would definitely go well with this. What do you guys think? Do you think I'm right? Is it giving you work vibes as well? Let me know below. This is the last top I got. Now I'm gonna try out the one dress I got. and then move on to the slides and jewelry. Ooh, finally figured this neck out. This is giving me fall vibes. It's a dress, by the way. Looks like this. I don't know why I'm hyped today, but this dress is doing it for me. Can it be fall already? Can it be fall already? I don't know. I really love fall season, dressing up and all that, you know. But summer is good, but it gets really hot here. But anyway, what you guys think of this dress? I love it. I love it. I do love it. I love it. As you can see, it's making me dance. Wow, I'm dancing. Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. And this is it for the dresses. And I got one chunky boot. Looks like this. I'm gonna try it on right now. When I saw it, I was like, you know what? I've always wanted chunky boots, so I'm gonna get it because it's really pretty. Yeah, it's not really strong like Nike or anything, but it's just for the pretty looks. So yeah, let's try it on. I've been looking for affordable chunky boots for a while now, and girl, this one is banging. I really like them. They're pretty. What do y'all think? Yeah. So I also got two slides, which I'm gonna try out in a minute, and they look like this. I don't know why I got two, but you know what? They're pretty, so why not? I think the slides are really pretty, and they're actually quite comfortable as well, and you can just put them on and you're out of the door basically. Yeah, just some simple everyday slides. You know, I love me some nude slides that I can wear with everything, and this one just does it for me. It is pretty. I just love how the crisscross goes here. Let me know what you guys think of them. I think this is my favorite. Tell me which one is your favorite down below. So like I said earlier, I got some jewelry and some sunglasses. This is the first one I got. It looks like this. These are the second glasses I got. They look like this. I'm gonna try them on for you right now. Let's see. Ooh, okay. You can't talk to me anyhow. You understand? Yeah, this is it. This is the look. This is the glasses for that type of, you know, I'm posh, I'm bougie type of life, you know, fake Instagram life, showing the money you don't have. We see all of you. But anyways, you can't talk to me anyhow. Okay. Oh yeah, now let's go. Oh yeah, go. Okay, it's time to be reasonable. Anyway guys, these glasses, they're really nice. You should check them out. Maybe you dance like I just did. Hear that? Yeah. Let's try them on. It has this detailing on it that looks really nice. I think it's really pretty as well. What you guys think? I don't want this video to be really long, so just go ahead and show you all how they all look right here. This one is like this. And this one. And this one is really pretty. I think they're all pretty in their own way, but the detailing makes it even more pronounced, you know, makes it really pretty. And this one. Oh damn, this is really hard. This is really hard to open. Ah! Oh, I'll have to cut it. Give me 1 second. So there are 4 different types of necklaces here. This one, I don't know if you can see it. Just a regular chain. And this one has some flowers to it. And another regular chain, but it has a heart shape. And the last one is this one. It has a key to it, and it's really pretty too. That's about it. Okay guys, if you're watching this right now, you're the real G, because you reached the end, you know what I mean? Kudos to you. Anyway, this is the end of it for this video. I hope you really liked it, because I enjoyed making it. And let me know which item was your favorite, which one was your least favorite. Tell me why you like it, why you dislike it, you know. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, give a comment below, you know, the good things. Yeah. Also follow me on Instagram, you know, because that place be popping sometimes. Anyway guys, I'm really grateful you watched this video. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.